These mini heads are part of the classic line of angle heads, designed and engineered in Italy by Gerardi. A comprehensive range of models developed to meet a wide variety of needs, featuring tapers and shafts engineered to ensure maximum rigidity, even during the most demanding machining operations. The new Mini series has been designed to deliver maximum precision, even in the tightest spaces. Thanks to its compact size, it allows machining in otherwise unreachable positions, simplifying operations in complex environments. It is the ideal solution for tasks such as deburring, countersinking, drilling, and small milling operations, even in extremely limited areas. The angle spindles are engineered to operate at very high speeds, ensuring efficiency and control even in the most delicate applications. The modular quick change system allows for immediate replacement of handpieces, providing maximum versatility on a single working head. Every component is designed to simplify assembly and boost productivity, while maintaining high performance and reliability. The Mini series, power, precision, and compactness, all in one modular system.